Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, this is our third lecture on partnership. Dear student, today in this class we will be able to learn profit and loss appropriation account for partnership business. We can prepare partners capital account if fluctuating method is followed, and we can calculate interest on capital and interest on drawings. Dear student, in this lecture we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account for partnership business. Dear student, this is a question for today's class. Dear student, Jabir, Gibran, Zahid are a partnership. They share profit and loss 3:3:2 respectively. Their capital on 1st January 2020 were Jabir 30,000, Gibran for 24,000 and Zahid 20,000. The partners are allowed to interest on capital and drawings %. Dear student, you have to keep it in your mind at the time of doing math. The interest on capital rate is 5%. Zahid is entitled to a salary 500 per month. That means Zahid will work as active partner and he will get salary 500 per month. He also receive commission 5% on net profit. That means he will receive commission on net profit also. The commission would be computed before charging his salary, partner's interest on capital and other charges. On 1st July 2020, Jabir contributed 4,000 to the firm as additional capital. Dear student, earlier Jabir has 30,000 capital. Now he has given another 4,000 as a capital, additional capital. During the year, they due at the beginning of each month from the business 1,800 and 600. Dear student, last class I have discussed how we can charge interest on drawings if it is beginning of each month, if it is end of each month, if it is middle of each month. So here they withdraw, all partner withdraw beginning of each month 1,000. At the end of the year, accrued rent income unrecorded 520. That means rent income unrecorded. By mistake they cannot record it, they did not record it. Jahid due his salary at the end of the year. At the end of the year, before closing accounts, Jahid taken his salary from the business. On 31st December 2020, profit for the year ended amounted is 30,000. Dear student, I hope you understand the question. This is very easy one, the simple question. Just now what we have to do, at first we have to find the amount of interest on capital and interest on drawings. Interest on capital and interest on the drawings. That means you have to find out amount of interest on capital. Very easy capital calculation if you can do percentage with the help of calculator. That it is a math of class 4 and 5. If you can do calculation, simple calculation with the help of calculator, you can. Jabir give 30,000 capital, so his interest will be, you know that it is 5%, that means 30,000 into 5%, and he has given some additional capital also, it is 4,000. Here it is means 1st July. That means for additional capital we will charge interest for 6 months. That's why 6/12. If it is not 1st July, if it is 1st September, then it will be for 3 months. If it is 1st of April, then it will be for 9 months. That means according to date we have to charge interest. So 30,000 into 5%, here it is 1,500 if you calculate it. Then 4,000 into 5%, that means 200, and 6/12, that means 100. So here 1,500, here 100, that means total amount of interest on capital of Jabir is 1,600. I hope all of you understand. Dear student, next interest of Gibran. Gibran capital is 24,000. He does not give any additional capital. So 24,000 into 5%. Just use your calculator. 24,000 into 5 divided by 100. Then it will be 5%. It is 1,200. It is 1,200. Then Jahid, his capital is 20,000 and percentage same for all partners. So it is 5%. 20,000 into 5%, that means 1,000. So dear student, total interest on capital is 3,800. Just very easy simple calculation. Now interest on drawings. For interest on drawings, all of you know that, so there are some formula here. Beginning of each month, if it is beginning of each month, then interest will be charged for 6.5 month, that means 6.5 month. Look at 6.5 by 12 for 1 year. If you divide by 12 interest, then it will be for 1 month, and 6.5 month interest will be charged. So Jabir due 1000. Look at in the question, it is given Jabir withdraw 1000, Gibran 800, and Jahid 600. So the interest rate will be 1000 into 12 into 5%. 1000 into 12. Why into 12? Because 12 month makes a year. So 1000 per month, 12 month, 12,000. Total drawing is 12,000. 12,000 into how much? 5%. 12,000 into 5%. That will be 12,000 into 5%. That means it will be 600. Then 6.5 by 12. Then 6 into 6.5 divided by 12, it will be 325. For Gibran 800 per month, that means 800 into 12, it will be total drawings, then 5%, then it will be annual interest on drawings. Then we have to charge for 6.5 by 12, because according to formula at the beginning of each month, if you withdraw, then it will be 6.5 by 12 month. Then Jahid 600 into 12 into 5% into 6.5 by 12. I hope all of you can. Dear student, now profit and loss appropriation account, most important one, dear student, profit and loss appropriation account. That means you know that in profit and loss appropriation account, main function is that distribution of profit, So at first we have to write net profit from the math. Look at net profit is 30,000. It is given net profit is 30,000. So you have to write net profit. In debit side, at first what we will write? Interest on capital. Just we have calculated here. Interest on capital is 1600, 1200 and 1000. So interest on capital 1600, 1200 and 1000. It is 3800. Then if there is any salary in the question, that will be recorded in partners profit and loss appropriation account. Look at salary. Zahid will get salary 500 per month. Zahid is entitled to a salary 500 per month. So salary will be here. Salary 500 per month. That means 500 into 12. It will be 6,000 total amount of salary. Then commission. Dear student, in the math we have commission, 5% commission on net profit. Our net profit is 30,000. So 30,000 into 5%, that means 1,500 is commission. 1,500 is our commission. So all of you understand, all the expenses is here. Now here how much the income? Net profit 30,000, and interest on drawings, it is income. Interest on drawings, it is income. So interest on drawings we have calculated earlier, 325, 260, 195, 780. That means total interest on drawings is 780. And another income is given here. Look at unrecorded rent due. Rent income unrecorded is 520. So that also will be recorded in income side. So dear student, in the math we have three income: net profit, interest on drawings, accrued rent income, and we have interest on capital, salary and commission. So total income, it is 31,300, and then from that income we have to subtract expense 3,800, then 6,000, then 1,500, then the difference is 20,000. It is called distributable profit. It is called distributable profit. That means this profit will distribute among the partners according to their ratio. Look at what is the ratio. Ratio is given here, 3:3:2. That means 3:6:8. That means Jabir will get 3/8, Gibran will get 3/8, Jahid will get 2/8. So 7,500, 7,500 and 5,000. Very easy calculation. You learn it 5, 6 math. Dear student, total ratio is 3:3:2. That means total is 8. 8 will be as a denominator. Then 3/8. That means it is 7,500. Then it is 7,500. It is 5,000. So this is profit and loss appropriation account. Now partners capital account. Dear student, partners capital account is more easy one. Balance BD. Look at first you have to write opening capital, balance BD. Then if there is any additional capital, we know Jabir given additional capital 4,000, that we have record here. Then interest on capital. That means what about the interest on capital? Earlier we have calculated interest on capital is 1,600, 1,200 and 1,000. Commission, if any commission is given, then commission is here 1,500, and share of profit, all are written here. That means whatever item will be added with the profit, that will be recorded in the credit side. At first opening capital, then additional capital, then interest on capital, then commission, then share of profit. And in debit side, all expenses, that means which will subtracted from capital. At first you have to write drawings for month 1000, that means 12,000, for month 800, that means 9,600. Earlier we have calculated, then 700 200. Then interest on drawings, it is also we have calculated, it is also expense. The difference is balance sheet, that means 30,000, 4,000, 1,600, 7,500 we have to add, it is 43,100, and difference is 30,775. This is closing capital of Jabir, then Gibran, then Jahid. I hope, dear student, all of you understand. If you have, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.